Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. Happy Monday. Today I'm gonna go unbox this. This is the Gamevice. This is made for iPhone, iPhone 6, iPhone 6 Plus, iPhone 6s, iPhone 6s Plus, iPhone 7, iPhone 7 Plus. And I also believe this is also compatible with the new and latest iPhone 8 and then iPhone 8 Plus. So let me give you the description real quick. This one, you could turn your phone into a complete gaming device with the Gamevice controller for the iPhone 6 and 7 and iPhone 8. The dual analog stick, twin triggers, D-pad, and button layout provide a powerful handheld gaming system for iOS devices. This Gamevice control is compatible with over 850 games for an immersive mobile gaming experience. So it comes with the only 90 days parts and labor warranty. It has a D-pad, headset jack. It has a headset jack. The color is black, and then the model number is GV157. The height is 1.2 inch. The width is 10.6 inches. The depth is 3.5 inches. And then the weight is 0.3 pounds. So let me give you a 360 view at the box real quick, guys. So before we go ahead and unbox it. They also make this similar control pad for iPads, but this is only special made for iPhone. And then that's a UPC code right here. Let me get my knife real quick because they have this clear tape around top and bottom. So they got this foam padding on the very top, prevent from moving around. So they come with this flex. I'm not sure is a flex cable. Oh, so on the back there's a switch right here. Allowed you to make it shorter. Okay. You got your top R2, R1 button right here, L1, L2, and you got this analog joystick on your left hand side. Got the menu, got your X, Y, A, B, and then on the joystick right here. That looks like a LED indicator. And this is where you connect your phone. The Lightning connector right there. Okay, so this is the release button right here. If you need to make it bigger, let me show you. So once you lock into this place, and this will lock, you hear click, and this is when you push this up, you release it. Okay. So there's a 3.5mm jack right here. And then your Lightning adapter. I guess you could charge your phone while you're playing game or games. So at first I thought this was a LED, but actually that's a pin. I guess insert this top and bottom. What else it come with it? So it come with this folder. Wow, give you a, is that a sticker? Yeah, give you like a sticker right here. Gamevice. And you got a quick start guide. So it asks you to connect it first, select the iPhone size, and then lock size, connect, secure. So it tells you how to adjust it. And the other one is different languages. So this is Portuguese. So it is a LED indicator. Let's see. Indicator LED, the one that I just showed you earlier right here. So I guess it shows the battery level or something like that. And you got this, this is probably the warranty card. I don't know why it's only a warranty for 90 days. Normally it's 1 year. So I guess that's all it comes with this inside the folder here. So yeah, this is my unboxing for this Gamevice controller. Please drop any comments on below to let me know what kind of game you want me to test this out for you guys. Because some of the game will work, some of the game will not work. So I would like to test out for you guys to see and know what game you guys play and want me to test it out. And please be sure to like the video, give a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. And turn on the bell for the notification. Please also share this with your friend, family on social media. This will be a great Christmas present since Christmas is coming up. Well, you know, Thanksgiving coming up first, but you want to go shop before the Christmas come by and avoid all those shoppers during the Christmas time. Anyway, I got this at Costco for only $79.99. This one is retail at Best Buy for $99.99, and even at the Apple Store. Unless you guys could find a better deal, please share this. Share with our viewers if you can find a better deal. I checked on eBay already, and I cannot find any cheaper than 80 something bucks unless it's a used one. Alright guys, so please like the video guys and hit the subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace out and happy Monday guys.